A packed house here at Central Office features some familiar faces. What we have here are Wesleco ISD administration along with school board members and city officials for a joint workshop to solve pressing needs in the community.
You know, for community to prosper and to be, to advance, I feel this is very important for us as leaders to communicate and help each other and work together for the betterment of the community.
Coming together and looking at resources and honoring the hardworking people of our community who pay taxes, and just seeing how we can come together to provide what we all want for children, and that's the best opportunities.
There are certain things that the city can help the district out with, and there are certain things the district can help the city out with.
Among the topics addressed is using school parks for city use, such as Tony Rico or Ibarra Elementary, which are located on the north side of town and furthest from any park.
I think we can work and find strategic schools that may have access to playgrounds after hours, let's say from 5 to 8 or 9 o'clock, where you might want to go take an evening with the kids and have a safe environment for them to play in.
People of Wesleco like to use their parks, and so what we want to do is look at a way to increase the green space that we have so that you don't have a difficult time finding a park to play.
Let's go, let's go!
Safety is top priority at Wesleco ISD. With that in mind, the district is aggressively pursuing a resource officer program where local law enforcement and WISD work together to maximize safety at both high schools.
That's what the goal is. Police officers are a deterrent to crimes being committed. They are used to build relationships with students to keep crime down.
Just a few years ago, middle school softball and baseball began at Wesleco ISD. However, because there aren't enough fields to support 4 middle schools, the district and city have had to partner up in order for our athletes to use as a home field. On this workshop, a memorandum of understanding takes place to make sure both parties are on the same page.
What is our end of the bargain, and what is the city's end as they're helping us with proper maintaining of the fields, striping of the fields, maintenance of the fields, security, custodial.
Everything that is discussed is not set in stone. But the fact both the district and city are in the same room talking is an indication how serious they are about making a better Wesleco.
All it takes is the effort. We can find a solution to any problem, and this is, I think this is the catalyst for that whole process.
We're a team here. We're a family supporting children and each other.
For KWEST TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.